It's Channel Lavish and I am back with another video. If you are new to my channel, hey, how you doing? So today's video is going to be a DIY of me upgrading my kitchen countertops and my kitchen appliances, as well as my bathroom countertops. I'm trying to get just the countertops done and maybe the bathroom done. So this may be in bits and pieces, and I may finish y'all tonight, but let's get into the video. So I'm just showing y'all the before. As you can see, all the appliances are black. What I'm gonna do first is take the microwave off and wipe the countertops down. I just used the little spick and span spray and a cloth. You wanna make sure you have all the dirt and the debris off the counter so you won't have any air bubbles in your contact paper. So I started at the end of the countertops and I wanted to work my way in. So the first thing I'm going to do is flip the marble contact paper over. On the bottom side they have like lines and grids, which is really helpful when you want to measure out how much you're going to cut. So I just went ahead and did that for the first roll. So after that's done, you want to flip it back over and you want to start at the corner when you are peeling it off. So right now I'm just peeling off the corners and trying to align it before I go ahead and want to stick the rest down. So the tool that I'm using to make sure everything is smooth is called a squeegee. My marble contact paper and my stainless steel appliance paper also came with one, so I just used the one that came with, but you can just buy one. I think there's some at Dollar Tree. There's other stores that have them. So what you want to do is you want to take your time with this. Honestly, the key is to go slow, because if you go fast, you'll have air bubbles. Really just take your time with it. What I'm showing you now is an Exacto knife. I got that from Amazon as well. I think it was maybe $2 or $3. So what I'm doing now is once I had went over and smoothed everything down and bent the corners down, I'm going to cut the excess off. Here's what it's looking like so far. Pretty good, pretty good. Here there was kind of like a border around my tire kitchen countertop, so I wanted to go ahead and get that out of the way. So I just went ahead and cut the strip for the border along the kitchen, and I went ahead and did that all the way around. And it's basically the same process. You want to make sure you squeeze everything down and then cut the excess paper off. In the process of me finishing the border and putting the rest of the countertops down, I cut myself, y'all. So I had to take some tissue. I didn't have no band-aids. I had to take some tissue, wrap it around my finger, wrap it around some tape, so to make sure no blood got on the contact paper. So I kind of like clipped that out. Getting the marble contact paper around the sink actually was kind of hard, but all I did was squeegee the paper as close as I could to the edge of the sink and cut around it, and I just went slowly as I went. This is what it looks like so far. I am loving it. There was like a piece that I had to cut off. You can see a little bit, but I had went ahead and fixed it once I seen it. But so far, I love it. not gonna lie, this was a long process, y'all. It took me like 2 days to do this, but honestly, I was happy with the result. Just take your time. You will get through it. The slower you go, the nicer it's gonna look, I promise you. So when I got done with the sink, I was like, oh my God, that looks so good. And I had the idea to go ahead and do like a border in the shower as well. So what I did here was I cut out a strip to run it along the shower. And then I went ahead and cut off the excess and matched the squares that was already fitted to the shower. Moving on to the kitchen appliances, it was actually a little bit tougher to do this too because the stainless steel paper is so thick. You want to make sure when you are putting this paper on your appliances, you want to make sure that the appliances is wet with some type of spray or water. Maybe the cleaning product that you use to clean off the appliances, but you want to make sure it is wet so when you are ready or if you make a mistake, you can easily move the contact paper. Doing the dishwasher was honestly one of the easiest things. I tried to do the microwave. I really didn't like how it turned out, but I just went ahead and kept it. I did the stove too, but I really didn't like how it turned out. So in this scene, you're gonna kind of see like it being this way, but I eventually like took it off after I did the refrigerator because I just did not like it. So for the refrigerator, if you want to get a smooth look, I suggest you removing the handles. I went to Walmart and I just purchased a drill. I had to purchase a drill anyway because I'm going to be using it for my new projects, but it was hard for me to unscrew it. So I just went ahead and bought a drill. Thank y'all for watching. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I will catch y'all in the next video.